Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save WhatsApp DP without taking a screenshot on Android. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you know the phone number of the person whose WhatsApp DP you want to save. This number must include the correct country code. Next, visit the tools in website by searching for it in your browser. Once you are on the site, enter the full phone number in the designated field. You can use the drop-down menu to select the correct country code if needed. After entering the number, scroll down and tap the Download Now button. Wait a few seconds while the tool processes your request. Once it is done, the person's profile picture will appear on your screen. Now, tap the Save DP button. This will download the image directly to your device's gallery without needing to take a screenshot or use a screen recorder. This method works not just on Android, but also on iPhones and even on computers. It is fast, simple, and does not require any third-party apps. Just make sure the number is active on WhatsApp and that the profile picture is visible publicly. So that's basically how you can save WhatsApp DP without taking a screenshot on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.